Buying your first car feels like freedom, independence, and excitement all rolled into one, but it can also feel overwhelming. With electric cars, hybrids, advanced safety tech, and rising costs, choosing the best car for new drivers has never been more complicated or more important. So, what really matters today? Is it price, safety, tech, or future proofing? Stay with us because the right first car in 2025 and beyond could shape not just how you drive, but how confidently you grow as a driver. The idea of a starter car has changed dramatically over the last decade. In the past, it meant something cheap, basic, and disposable. Today, even entry-level cars come packed with technology that was once reserved for luxury SUVs and premium sedans. At the same time, the automotive world is shifting toward electrification, software-driven features, and smarter safety systems. New drivers now face a market that includes petrol, hybrid, and fully electric options, along with cars designed to stay relevant well into the late 2020s. In this video, we'll break down what makes the best car for new drivers right now, balancing safety, design, performance, running costs, and future mobility trends. For new drivers, safety is the foundation of any good choice. Modern cars increasingly rely on advanced driver assistance systems to reduce accidents and build confidence behind the wheel. Features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control are no longer exclusive to high-end vehicles. Many compact hatchbacks and small crossovers now offer these technologies as standard or affordable options. For a new driver, these systems don't replace skill, but they provide an extra layer of reassurance during those early months on the road. Design also plays a bigger role than it used to. New drivers want a car they're proud to be seen in, not just something practical. Manufacturers have responded by giving even small cars sharper styling, cleaner proportions, and more premium detailing. LED lighting, modern wheel designs, and well-sculpted body lines help entry-level cars feel contemporary rather than cheap. This matters because emotional connection is part of ownership, and a car that looks good often encourages better care and responsibility. Inside the cabin, technology and usability are just as important. The best cars for new drivers feature intuitive infotainment systems, clear digital displays, and simple controls. Apple CarPlay and Android 2 have become essential, allowing drivers to use familiar navigation and music apps without distraction. High-quality materials, supportive seating, and good visibility all contribute to a calmer, more confident driving experience. Even budget-friendly cars now borrow ideas from luxury interiors, proving that premium design cues are filtering down faster than ever. Powertrain choice is another key factor, especially as we look toward future cars. Traditional petrol engines remain popular for their simplicity and lower upfront cost, but hybrids are quickly becoming the sweet spot for many new drivers. They offer smooth performance, lower fuel consumption, and reduced emissions without the range anxiety sometimes associated with EVs. Mild hybrids and full hybrids are particularly appealing in urban environments, where stop-and-go traffic allows electric assistance to shine. Electric vehicles deserve special attention in this conversation. For a growing number of new drivers, an EV could be the smartest long-term option. Electric cars are easy to drive, with instant torque, quiet operation, and no gear changes. Maintenance costs are often lower, and charging at home can be cheaper than fuel. While upfront prices can still be higher, the used EV market is expanding rapidly, making electric cars more accessible first car options, rather than a futuristic experiment. Performance for new drivers isn't about speed, it's about predictability and control. Cars with smooth throttle response, balanced handling, and well-tuned suspension help drivers learn vehicle dynamics without being overwhelmed. Smaller cars often excel here, as they're easier to maneuver, park, and place on the road. However, compact SUVs are gaining popularity because they offer a higher seating position, better visibility, and a sense of security that many first-time drivers appreciate. Comparing segments reveals interesting trade-offs. Hatchbacks remain the classic choice for affordability, efficiency, and ease of use. Small sedans add a touch of sophistication and a more planted highway feel. Compact SUVs provide versatility and modern styling, often at a slightly higher cost. Even entry-level luxury models are entering the conversation, offering premium materials and advanced tech for those willing to invest more in their first car. Looking toward 2025 cars and beyond, concept cars and upcoming models suggest that first-time buyers will have even more options. Software-defined vehicles, over-the-air updates, and customizable driving modes will make cars feel more personal over time. Safety systems will become smarter, learning from driver behavior and adapting to individual needs. This evolution means a well-chosen first car today could remain relevant and enjoyable for many years. So what is the best car for new drivers? The answer isn't a single model, but a philosophy. The best first car is one that balances safety, simplicity, and future readiness. It's a car that builds confidence rather than intimidating, that looks modern without chasing excess, and that fits into the rapidly changing landscape of automotive innovation. Whether it's a smart hybrid hatchback, a compact electric car, or a small SUV packed with safety tech, the real game changer is choosing a vehicle designed for the next decade, not the last one. Choosing your first car isn't about getting from point A to point B. It's about learning, growing, and stepping into a future where cars are smarter, cleaner, and more connected than ever. The best cars for new drivers today combine proven reliability with forward-thinking technology, making them safer, easier, and more enjoyable to live with. As the automotive world continues to evolve, first-time buyers are in a better position than ever to make a smart, future-proof choice. Now we want to hear from you. What do you think is the best car for new drivers right now? Would you go petrol, hybrid, or fully electric for your first car? Share your thoughts in the comments, like the video if it helped you, and subscribe to Car Guide Hub for more insights into future cars, automotive innovation, and the vehicles shaping tomorrow's roads. Your journey starts here, and we'll be right alongside you.